Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a common household issue to tackle: those pesky rubber marks on your vinyl flooring. Whether it's from shoes, furniture, or anything else, we'll show you how to get rid of them and have your vinyl floors looking as good as new. Let's get started. Step 1. Gather your supplies. For this DIY solution, you'll need a soft cloth or microfiber towel, baking soda, a small bowl, warm water, a soft bristle brush, an old toothbrush works well, a bucket. Step 2. Mix the cleaning solution. In a small bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of baking soda with enough warm water to make a thick paste. This paste will help break down and lift the rubber marks without damaging your vinyl flooring. Step 3. Apply the paste. Dip your soft cloth or microfiber towel into the paste and gently apply it to the rubber marks on your vinyl flooring. Make sure to cover the marks completely. Allow the paste to sit on the marks for about 5–10 minutes. Step 4. Scrub gently. After letting the paste sit, take your soft bristle brush or old toothbrush and scrub the rubber marks in a circular motion. Be gentle to avoid scratching the vinyl flooring. The baking soda paste will help lift the rubber marks without causing any harm to your floor. Step 5. Rinse and wipe clean. Once you've successfully removed the rubber marks, it's time to clean up. Fill a bucket with warm water and use a clean cloth to wipe the area where you applied the paste. Make sure you remove any residue and baking soda from the floor. And there you have it, folks. Thanks for tuning in today. We hope you found this tutorial helpful.